Okay, YouTube, it's the next day. Remember, I was working with Liquid Gold Bold Hold last night, okay? I ended up getting up this morning, putting on light makeup. Matter of fact, let's start with that. Okay, I have my Juvia's Place, and this is in, I believe, Cameroon. I want to say Cameroon. This is in Cameroon that I used today. And I also used the Cameroon Concealer by Juvia's Place. Yes, I'm shouting her out because she makes me look younger, very much younger. I will be 55 in September, okay? Then I used my handy dandy, and this brush I got from e.l.f. My handy dandy lash brush, and I just comb up my brows. And with the stuff that I'm using on my hair that I'm trying to get in production, I think it's making my eyebrows thicker. These are my eyebrows. Just a little bit of extension and a little bit of brushing. Okay, then I use my handy dandy Fenty lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. This is my second one. I love this lip gloss. Thank you, Rihanna. Okay. I didn't put on any setting powder or anything like that because I'm in the house. But today, our temperature today is 102. Okay. So I just pretty much didn't really do anything but brush up the hairline, and then I tied it back down. So, okay, let's get our makeup brush. Because we can say, let's blend that in. We can say where that wrap was wrapped down. Our hairline. Okay, so now let's do this. Okay, ooh. Okay, so this is from last night. It came up a little bit, but like I said, her product can be used for temporary use if you just don't want to cake it all down. The ear tabs, remember I said that'll be the first to come up. Again, this is my one of my creations here by Edie. This is a 32-inch deep wave, okay, with Swiss 20-inch frontal. What I'm trying to do, okay. So now what I'm going to do is just put down the ear tabs and then start styling the hair. Because remember, I only got 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm using about that much. Okay, Liquid Gold, let's see what you do. And this ear tab came up. And like I said, it feels better than the gels, like the Got2Be's, the orange one, the yellow one, and the black one. So last night, I don't know if you guys saw that I had a film, but when I wrapped it down and kind of like put a little water to clean it up and wrapped it down, this is the results from last night. So that is what we're gonna do for right now. And then wait till it gets a little tacky. Like I said, you don't even really have to use a blow dryer, especially if you're getting ready, you know, to like go to work or getting ready to go to a special appointment. It can be drying as you put on your makeup or whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to style the hair as much as I can, because like I said, I got 15 minutes. But I'm gonna put down, I could feel it getting tacky now. So I'll pull my ear tabs down now. I just felt it getting tacky. Get up here. Okay, so this is her Liquid Gold. Oh, man, I'll tell you, my clientele is going to boom off of this. And like I said, with my wigs that I sell, I will be giving a free tube of either the bold hold or the liquid gold. Really cute. Put these in your purse. Okay, so I'm looking at it. Okay, so that little part, it looks like it's lifting up as I pull. Oop. Okay, let me put this on. I gotta look in the mirror, y'all. But like she said, it's a temporary hold. It's not supposed to be like her active bold hold. I'm just washing my hands. Okay. Get back up here. Okay. So now, like I said, still have time to style the hair. Let's see if we have time to style the hair for another 15 minutes. We probably could style the front. Okay. And the reason why I haven't wetted is because I don't know if I want this wave pattern. Sometimes this wave pattern looks really cute. It elongates the hair. Elongates the hair. Big word. Okay. See how it elongates it? And it looks like a better pattern. Oh, Koi. Just gonna do the front. Because I don't think I got the time. Don't mind. I gotta get my subscriptions up, y'all. Y'all got to help me out here. Okay, so I'll probably use this curl pattern and just leave it like this. I'll put my, okay, 9 minutes. Okay, so if you like this wig, you can DM me through my IG, edismiles, and you can go see some of my other creations that I have customized, made, because I do make wigs. I don't use a sewing machine. I pretty much hand sew all my wigs. She is one of them. See how that curl pattern, how it's elongated? And then just gotta make sure, because when you do two strand twists, and sometimes you can make a mess of things. We'll get back to that. But my prices are affordable. some of my wigs, I have wigs that I have made for like $500 or $600, but that was only because they wanted like 5 or 6 bundles. You know how you girls do. Y'all love bundles. It's kind of hot, too hot right now for bundles, but yep. See, I'm saying you can make a mess when you do those two strand twists. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to wet it down at the top and probably put some oil sheen on it so it'll have that shine, but it will not, it'll be, I don't know, it's not real puffy hair when you do the 2 strands twist, because when you do them, they kind of elongate the curl, see? So, I get that going too wet. And run our fingers through it. And we got our style for today. Okay, back to the liquid gold. I do it, let's see what it did. Okay. Okay. It still needs to dry where I put the parts in, but then I can clean this up. But all of this full installation was only done with liquid gold. Pretty much no prepping. I just washed my face last night, put the liquid gold on my finger. I didn't even have to put alcohol in the area. I don't know. I'm not as oily as some people. I'm kind of like looking over here, looking in the mirror while I talk to y'all. But it did give me that hold at the top. It gave me the hold on the sides. And for a temporary use, and I like to wash my hair every week, every 2 weeks sometimes, every 2 weeks. So this is going to be an alternative to active, the bow hold active. Still going to use that too. Love that product. And also I have her tape. Yes, I have her tape too. Big supporter. I haven't, well, next to some of the people that I follow and I subscribe, she has the best product. And that's, you know, from experiencing the products that I've used for the last 5 years. Because I think I've been doing hair, making wigs and wig installations for almost 6 years now. It'll be 6 years. Okay, guys, I got to go. I want you guys to like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to see something that you want a licensed beautician or get some advice from a licensed beautician, I can give you some tips. And I like to see you guys' tips. I watch so many people on YouTube as far as wig installations, and I see you guys do different things, and great. You take someone else's, well, it's not really taking, it's like a seed that they planted and they feeding everybody. And I appreciate that, and I love seeing our black people, you know, get down like that. That is really a beautiful thing. Well, I've been signaled that I have to get off. Don't forget to subscribe. More subscribers, I can bring out more content. I'm going to try to be consistent, but this is the next day of the installation from last night using Liquid Gold by Boho the Diagram, Hair Diagram, okay? HairbyEdie.com. That's where y'all get this. Have a good morning.